Hey guys, it's me Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a Bentonite Clay Mask to clarify my hair. My hair is super dirty, super dry, and I haven't done one in about 2 months now. So I usually do it once every 2-3 months depending on how much product buildup my hair has. So this is the Bentonite clay I'm going to be using. It's the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. So I got this on Amazon, but I'm sure you can get it at like your local health store or something like that. So this is just what it looks like if you guys haven't seen what Bentonite clay looks like. So I'm using a plastic bowl today with a plastic spoon. I'm just going to kind of eyeball it to see how much I think I will need, and I can always add more. I'm going to actually mix it in with equal parts of water and apple cider vinegar. And I'm using the Bragg's apple cider vinegar with the mother. Okay, I'm just going to start mixing it up here. So it does kind of sizzle a little bit because of the apple cider vinegar. Okay, so the consistency looks pretty good. I mean, it's a little clumpy, but that's usually how Bentonite clay is. All right, you guys, don't judge. My hair is really, really bad. My hair actually was in cornrows, but when I put my hair in cornrows, I literally did it on an old wash and go. I know that sounds really wrong. I was planning to wash it and then condition it, moisturize it, and then put it in cornrows, but then I just ran out of time. Okay, so I do have some warm water in the spray bottle. I'm gonna kind of lightly mist my hair and apply the product on damp hair. I actually prefer to use Bentonite clay rather than Rosal clay. Rosal clay is definitely like more moisturizing for sure, but I find that it always leaves like a really weird coated feeling after I wash out my hair, and I don't feel that it really clarifies it that well compared to Bentonite clay. So I'm really hoping that this mixture of water and apple cider vinegar kind of gives me best of both worlds. It doesn't lower the pH too much because you have that water there. So I think with Bentonite clay, the pH level, if you mix it in with water, is around 9, 8 to 9 actually. So that is pretty high. So when you put in that apple cider vinegar, it kind of lowers it. But for me, because I have low porosity hair, sometimes I can't really follow what the typical hair regimen is when it comes to pH level, because I'm not really too concerned with trying to keep my cuticle closed because it naturally is closed. And my problem is kind of trying to get it open, right? But you definitely do want to be careful though when you're dealing with a lot of high pH levels, because you don't want to damage your hair and then have your cuticles raised permanently. I really like the idea of clays to clarify the hair. I'm so happy that I found a way for it to work, because you know, I used to use a clarifying shampoo and that would just really strip up my hair. And I've tried clays before to clarify my hair, but I did it as a clay wash, and I would quickly do it in the shower, and I would kind of like really dilute it and have it in like an applicator bottle, and I would kind of keep it on just for a few minutes. It just really didn't do anything for me, and I always had like this weird coated feeling on my hair, and I didn't really feel like my hair was cleansed. But once I tried it as a mask and then put a plastic cap over my head and kind of let it sit on my head for around half an hour, 45 minutes, and then rinsed it out, that's when I felt the true clarifying process of these clays. And so really, I think just like the clay just needed to sit longer in my hair for it to actually work. I like the consistency of it being thicker, because then you have more that you're putting on your hair for it to work. And before it was kind of like more of like a really diluted version. So I don't think it was just like enough product to actually work on my hair. But I'm just so happy that I don't have to use commercial clarifying shampoos anymore, because wow, that's just like the worst for natural hair, especially kinky curly natural hair. I definitely want to experiment more with African black soap. So if you guys have any suggestions on that, please let me know. Because okay guys, so I'm almost done, but can you see the curl definition? Wow, I don't remember getting this type of curl definition when I mixed it in with just apple cider vinegar or just water. I'm gonna put up a clip of that video when I did just the of my previous bentonite clay video just to kind of compare. I also noticed how easy the application is. Like, it's pretty detangling. And how you get like instant curl definition as soon as you put the clay on, and usually I don't think it comes that quickly for me. When I just used water, it absorbed into my hair very well, to the point where my hair was really weighed down because it just absorbed so much product, because it really lifted my cuticles. Because water has a pH level of 7, so it didn't really like lower the bentonite clay that much. But then when I did the one with just apple cider vinegar, it really lowers it. So my cuticles were not that open, so it didn't actually penetrate as well. But I'm hoping and I think that the mixture of both is gonna give me the right results, because so far I'm liking it. Okay, so I'm gonna put a plastic cap over my head. This is gonna prevent the clay from drying out, because once it's really dry, it's really hard to kind of wash off. So I'm going to keep this on my hair for about half an hour, 45 minutes, just to kind of make sure everything is fully absorbed and that it clarifies my hair very well. And I'm going to show you guys the results after I wash it out. I'm still trying to figure out if I like the water and bentonite clay mixture a bit better, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know, like this one feels like the safer bet, I guess, because like it's not as harsh. I still feel like there's like a slight coating on my hair, but I do feel like it does the job. My hair feels cleansed, clarified, and yeah, it feels pretty good. So let me know what you guys think of the results. Let me know what clay mask you love the best and what your combination is. Like, what do you mix inside of it? Do you even put oils in yours? I see people that put oils, essential oils, apple cider vinegar, aloe vera juice, a whole bunch of stuff. So let me know what you guys do, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are interested in my deep conditioner video, stay tuned for that. It's another DIY deep conditioner video. As you can see with the ingredients, they're all ready to go, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.